Student loans can be daunting, but knowledge is your most potent tool. Begin by understanding the differences between federal and private loans, as this distinction can dramatically impact your repayment strategy. Federal loans often come with borrower protections and benefits, while private options may offer lower interest rates if you have a strong credit history. Navigating the world of student loans doesn't stop at their differences. It's crucial to grasp the repayment options available to you. For instance, the standard repayment plan offers fixed payments over 10 years, which can be a straightforward way to manage your loans. However, if you're facing financial hurdles, options like income-driven repayment plans adjust your monthly payments based on your earnings, providing more flexibility during tough times. Student loans may seem like an unending burden, yet there are strategic ways to alleviate this weight. Proactively managing your loan repayments is vital. Consider tackling the highest interest loans first to minimize overall costs. Moreover, consistent payments, even when they're above the minimum, can significantly reduce the total interest paid over time. Don't underestimate the power of bi-weekly payments either. They can fast-track your progress and simplify your financial management. By leveraging options such as refinancing, you not only streamline your loans but also open doors to potential savings. Student loans encompass more than simply borrowing money. They represent an investment in your future. When considering refinancing options, it's important to remember that while lower rates can lead to significant savings, it's essential to evaluate the long-term implications. Make sure to ask yourself if you're eligible for public service loan forgiveness or if you qualify for any income-driven repayment plans, as these opportunities can dramatically change your repayment landscape. In addition, search for tools offered by companies like SoFi that provide tailored resources, including budgeting help and access to financial experts who can guide you during stressful times. As you embark on your student loan journey, the first critical step is completing the free application for federal student aid, commonly known as FAFSA. This crucial form determines your eligibility for a range of financial aid options, including grants, work-study programs, and the federal student loans we've discussed. To get started, visit studentaid.gov, where you'll create an FSA ID, which acts as your identifier throughout the aid process. After gathering necessary information about your income, family status, and the school you plan to attend, you'll submit the FAFSA, and shortly afterward, you'll receive your student aid report. This document summarizes your financial situation and eligibility, guiding you through the next steps in securing funding for your education. Accepting federal loan offers is a pivotal decision, so review your options thoroughly and make informed choices that align with your financial goals. As you dive deeper into your student loan experience, it's important to consider the type of interest associated with your loans. Fixed-rate loans provide stability, giving you predictable payments for the life of the loan, while variable-rate loans can fluctuate over time, meaning your monthly payments could increase unexpectedly. Understanding how interest accumulates is crucial. If unpaid, it can accumulate and capitalize, adding to your principal balance and costing you significantly in the long run. During your time in school, make it a priority to pay any amount towards your loans, even if it's just a small monthly contribution. Over time, these payments can lead to substantial savings on your overall loan amount and interest accrued. Before settling into the details of repayment plans, it's vital to grasp how different repayment options can affect your financial landscape. Federal loans, for instance, offer a variety of plans tailored to meet diverse needs. The standard repayment plan might seem like the default option, ensuring stability with fixed payments, but choices like the graduated plan or the income-driven repayment options allow for more flexibility. The graduated plan starts with lower payments, gradually increasing, which may be perfect for recent graduates just entering the workforce. On the other hand, income-driven repayment options, like Pay and Repay, are designed to adjust according to your earnings, providing relief if you find yourself in a tight financial spot. Each repayment plan carries its own set of advantages, so it's worth your time to reflect on your current financial situation, future goals, and which path best aligns with your needs to ensure a smoother, less stressful repayment journey. As you map out your repayment strategy, it's vital to account for potential life changes and the importance of flexibility in your plans. Remember, student loans should fit into your life, not dominate it. Utilize deferment or forbearance if faced with hardships like unemployment or unexpected expenses. However, be cautious, as these options can lead to increased debt over time. Many borrowers find themselves overwhelmed during repayment, but knowing when and how to pause can offer relief and prevent you from falling behind. Revisiting loan forgiveness options can feel like a sigh of relief amid the pressure of repayments. Public service loan forgiveness stands out as a notable path, offering tax-free forgiveness after 10 years of qualifying payments for those committed to full-time public or nonprofit employment. Moreover, the Teacher Loan Forgiveness Program rewards dedicated educators with up to $17,500 after 5 years of teaching in qualifying schools. If you're in an income-driven repayment plan, you may find that after 20 to 25 years of diligent payments, the remaining balance may be forgiven, offering a light at the end of a long tunnel. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that private loans do not qualify for any sort of forgiveness, reinforcing the importance of making informed choices about your borrowing. Exploring these forgiveness options can provide relief and encourage borrowers to pursue avenues contributing to public good while effectively managing their repayment journey. As we delve into the refinancing aspect of student loans, it's essential to recognize the ideal scenarios where this strategy is beneficial. If you've been diligently paying down your loans and have seen an improvement in your credit score, or if interest rates have dropped since you took out your original loans, refinancing could be a valuable option. By consolidating your loans through refinancing, not only can you lower your interest rates, but you might also have the chance to shorten your repayment term, leading to less interest paid overall. However, always weigh the risks. Consider whether you might lose federal loan benefits or forgiveness options that could apply if you stick with your federal loans. Moreover, as you explore options, look for reputable lenders like SoFi, which have transparent processes and valuable tools to assist borrowers in navigating their financial futures. Refinancing should be a strategic decision, factoring in current financial circumstances and long-term goals to ensure it aligns with your overall repayment strategy. As you progress further along your journey, it's important to consider the comprehensive advantages tools like SoFi provide. Beyond the core offerings of student loan refinancing, SoFi's ecosystem includes personalized financial coaching and budgeting tools designed to empower you in your financial decision-making. Whether you're struggling with debt management or planning for future investments, leveraging these resources can enhance your financial literacy, helping you not only to navigate student loans but also to build a more secure financial future. Additionally, engaging with community resources and sharing experiences can foster a supportive environment where borrowers learn from one another's challenges and successes. Remember, understanding and managing your student loans is a journey, not a sprint, and every step taken towards financial literacy is a step toward a brighter, debt-free future. Navigating through the landscape of student loans can be a daunting experience, especially when it comes to understanding the nuances of repayment options. Many borrowers aren't aware that there are various federal plans designed specifically to accommodate different financial situations. For example, while the standard repayment plan offers straightforward fixed payments, there exists the option of an extended repayment plan, permitting you to stretch your payments over a longer period if that better suits your needs. It's important to analyze these choices closely as they can significantly affect your financial health in the long run, assisting you in tailoring a repayment strategy that aligns with your current circumstances and future goals. Light bulb to navigate your student loans effectively, remember that every detail counts. Take the time to explore all available options, including federal and private loans. Seek further advice and stay informed about opportunities that can enhance your experience, like income-driven repayment plans or potential loan forgiveness. With perseverance and knowledge, you can take control of your financial future and pave the way to a debt-free life. Speech balloon. So, how do you feel about your student loan experience? Your insights matter, and sharing them could help others who are navigating a similar path. Remember, every story counts, and together, we can foster a community of support. As we conclude this masterclass on student loans, take a moment to reflect on the tools and strategies we've covered. You've equipped yourself with knowledge that empowers your financial future. Whether you're just starting or well into repayment, stay proactive and informed. Your financial well-being is in your hands. Always remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck on your journey ahead. Before diving deeper into repayment strategies, let's highlight the importance of a proactive approach. Understanding the nuances of student loans and engaging with available resources can empower you significantly in this journey. As you evaluate your options, always remember that taking informed steps early can lead to substantial savings and a more manageable repayment experience down the road. Start by regularly reviewing your loan details, keeping track of interest accumulation, and staying aware of any changes in repayment terms. This diligence will not only sharpen your financial acumen but also enhance your ability to make calculated decisions throughout your student loan journey. You aren't alone in this path. Seeking advice from financial experts can also bring invaluable insights. As you navigate this complex landscape, remember that staying engaged with your loans is vital. Regularly check for updates on federal and state policies regarding student loans. These can influence your repayment options and potential financial relief pathways. By remaining proactive and informed about the climate of student lending, you're better equipped to make decisions that will benefit your long-term financial health. Congratulations on taking control of your student loans. Armed with knowledge, strategies, and resources like SoFi, you can effectively manage your financial future. Remember, every decision matters. Stay proactive, informed, and engaged in your journey. Your path to a debt-free life starts now. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck.